Hi everyone. So today we are going to show you how to make a density rainbow tower. So how will we do this? We are going to use the concept of density to do this experiment using only sugar and food coloring with water. Can you believe it?
I can't.
Wow.
I can't wait.
I'll show you how.
Please.
Of course, I'm Dr. Rihanna and with me is Jabu. So what do we need first? You can take 5 glasses, guys. So 5 glasses over there. And then you need some sugar, as I mentioned. And over here we have quite a lot of food coloring. We've got the 3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. And we are going to also make purple as well as green, because we need 5 different colors. So the concept is we are going to add different amounts of sugar to the same volume of water. If we do that, then we're going to get different densities. So in order to see these different densities, we are just going to color each of the solutions a different color. And then we are going to layer them. So are you guys ready for this?
Yes.
Let us start. So first we're going to add sugar to our water. Jabu, yes, the sugar. So in your first one, you don't add any sugar. We're just keeping it just straight water. In the second one, we're adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. So then in the third glass, we're going to do 3 spoons of sugar. Now we've already added 2 in here, so we'll add another 1. In the fourth one, we need 6 spoons of sugar. We've already added 5, so we'll add the 6th one. And in the last one, we added 8 teaspoons of sugar. We'll add the 9th one. So once you're done, Jabu, you can stir for us so long. You're going to have a solution with 0, 1, 3, 6, and 9 teaspoons of sugar. And because you did that, you will now have different densities of sugar. So some solutions will float on top of the other. I'm just going to go ahead and help Jabu stir. You need to get this solution as saturated as possible. So next we are going to color our solutions. You can make any solution any color. We're going to go ahead, Jabu, make the first one blue. And then don't make it too blue, just a little bit. You have to be careful with food coloring, guys, because it goes dark very quickly. So there we have a lovely blue coloring. That's beautiful. The next one will be yellow. Not too much. Beautiful. So if you added much more, the color will change. So you guys have to be careful. Next we're going with red. It's going to be reddish pinkish depending on how much you add. I think that's lovely. Then we want to make first purple. So to make purple, we're going to add a drop of red food coloring, and then also a little drop, just so, and then a little bit of blue food coloring, little drop. And then I'll take a spoon to stir it.
Ooh, fascinating.
Beautiful. That is clearly purple. And for the last one, we're going to mix blue with a little yellow so that we can have a green solution. So Jabu added the blue. And now he needs to add the yellow. And then a bit more yellow. You're going to need to add more, yes? Oh, okay. Just use the thing to stir it. And then finally, you can see we have our green color. So don't worry if the colors are a bit lighter or a bit darker than what you expected. All that matters is that you see a difference between the colors of the different solutions so that we can clearly see the different densities. So next is the fun part, and both Jabu and I are going to do this. So what we need to do is we are going to layer each solution in the hopes that it forms a rainbow. We have to start with the green solution. Why? Because it has the most sugar, so it has the biggest density. So it will be the heaviest solution. So Jabu, let us start. Both Jabu and I will do this because we want to see who makes a nicer rainbow. As you can see, even though it looks a bit dark in the big solution, but in the test tube, it's quite beautiful. Look at that. So this is now very important. The purple layer is next. Now in order for this to layer nicely, you can't just add it. You have to tilt your test tube a little bit and you have to slowly let the solution drizzle slowly so that it layers nicely on top of each other. So as you can see, you have to do it slowly. Otherwise you won't be able to see the beautiful layers. Patience is a virtue. So there you can see the two layers. Jabu, how are you doing?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's looking all good.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So guys, our third solution is of course the red solution. Again, you have to tilt it and slowly. Ooh. So what happened was, I did not only take solution, there was a little bit of sugar in here as well. We don't want that, we just want the solution. So slowly layer it. And it must drizzle down the side of your test tube like this. To me, it's looking so beautiful. Look at that.
I'm loving it.
It's so awesome. I'm going to show you guys now once I'm done with the pink layer. It's supposed to be red, but it's looking pinkish right now. If these solutions were the same density, this was not going to happen. All of your colors was just going to mix with each other. But here you can clearly see your three different densities because the one will float on top of the other. Jabu, woo!
Let's continue. We're getting
Beautiful.
there, Doc.
Beautiful.
It's looking lovely.
Yes.
Yellow it is.
So we're moving from the most dense to the least dense, remember? So as Jabu said, our yellow is next. Jabu is racing. Jabu, why you want to be finished before I am? But yeah, we are.
Competition, Doc. Competition.
It's fun. It's fun. Oh my goodness. Now the lovely thing about this is you guys can freeze it and have an ice lolly. Because this is so safe, of course you can just drink the sugar water if that's your thing. Look at the beauty of this. And then our last layer, our last layer will be the blue layer where we have no sugar in. So this is just water. The density of water is 1. So let us layer that one. So as long as you guys do this very slowly and you tilt your test tube, you're going to be fine. I'm almost there. How far are you?
We're getting there, we're getting there.
We are ending at the same time, which is
Okay.
awesome.
Yep. There we go.
It is a thing of beauty. A thing of beauty. Do you guys see this beautiful rainbow? So I'm holding my lab coat so that you can see the colors better against the white background. But of course, I can also just do this now because I'm done with my experiment. And here you guys can see we have created a beautiful, gorgeous density rainbow, which you guys can drink. If you really want to impress somebody, you're going to use densities to make mocktails or different layered drinks or coffee. So please do try this at home and enjoy.